Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3 strings on the violin. This advanced technique, often called a triple stop, requires precise control and a specific approach. You will learn to adjust your bow arm, apply consistent pressure, and produce a clear, resonant sound across 3 notes at once. Mastering this skill will significantly expand your violin playing capabilities and musical expression. Achieving a 3-string sound begins with your bow angle. You need to flatten your bow arm significantly more than when playing 2 strings. Imagine your bow hair covering a wider area, making full contact with the 3 desired strings. Experiment with moving your bow slightly closer to the bridge for a brighter sound or towards the fingerboard for a softer, more mellow tone. This adjustment is crucial for success. Once your bow angle is set, focus on applying even pressure. Distribute the weight of your bow arm equally across all 3 strings. Too much pressure on one string will make it sound louder or scratchy, while too little will result in a weak or absent note. Aim for a consistent, full sound from each of the 3 notes. Your ear is your best guide here, so listen intently. To effectively practice 3-string playing, start with open strings. This allows you to focus solely on bow angle and pressure without worrying about finger placement. Practice short, sustained strokes, holding each triple stop for 2 to 3 seconds. Gradually increase the length of your bow strokes. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful for identifying any imbalances or inconsistencies in your sound production. Consistent practice yields results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.